Here is a simple breath exercise you can do while sitting at your desk. This is a very basic form of your alternate nostril breath, and that will involve one of your hands. I'm using my right hand here, and I will fold my index and middle finger so that my thumb and then my pinky and ring finger are out. Every time I inhale, I will close my left nostril and inhale through the right. And then I will exhale through my left nostril by covering the right nostril with my thumb. Okay, so when you're ready, exhale everything out first. And then cover your left nostril, inhale. And then exhale, cover your right nostril. Inhale to your right. Exhale to your left. Inhale to your right. Exhale to your left. One more. Inhale to your right. Exhale to your left. And you can place your hand down once again. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, sigh it out. One more. Inhale. Exhale, sigh it out. And you can repeat that breath around 10 times if you feel like you need a little bit more. Always take a quick breather in between your rounds.